Hello children, good morning. Hope you all are safe and good. Let's start our class with a small prayer. Close your eyes. Father in heaven, you love us. You are with us day and night. We want to love you always in all we do and say. We try to please you, Father. Bless us all throughout this day. Amen. Okay children, so today we are going to continue with Unit 2 Subtraction. Okay, so before that we are going to recall what all we studied in our previous class. So what we studied in our previous class, we studied about few facts about subtraction and how to find the missing number. So we saw all these. Okay, first quickly we shall recall what we studied. Okay, so what we studied about the facts on subtraction. When 0 is subtracted from a number, what will happen? When 0 is subtracted from a number, the difference is the number itself. So for example, when you subtract 22 minus 0, you are using 0. Okay, so when you minus 22 minus 0, you will get the answer as the number itself. The answer will be 22 itself. Okay, so next one is when 1 is subtracted from a number, the difference is the number before. So when you are subtracting a number with 1, what will be the answer? The answer will be the previous number. Okay, so what is the previous number of 14? It is 13. So 14 minus 1 will be 13. Okay, and then when a number is subtracted from itself means same number. Okay, the difference is always 0. That is 13 minus 13. So both are same number. 13 is subtracted by 13 itself. Okay, so what will be the answer? 0. What will be the answer? 0. So these three facts you will remember. Okay, then we studied about missing number, how to find the missing number. Okay, so when we want to find the big number, what we will do? You will add the difference and the smaller number. Okay, to find the missing number of big number, what you will do? You will add difference and the smaller number. Okay, but if at all you want to find the smaller number, what you will do? You will subtract bigger number and difference. Bigger number minus difference, you will get the smaller number. So if you want to find bigger number, what you will do? You will add difference and smaller number. If you want to find the smaller number, you will subtract bigger number and the difference. Okay, these two things you have to remember. Okay, now we shall start with today's class. Okay, yes, today we are going to learn about quick subtraction and subtraction of 3-digit number. Okay, so we shall start this. So what is that? Quick subtraction. Quick subtraction by counting forward on a number line. By counting forward on a number line. Forward means what? Moving further. Okay, moving front. Okay, so the question is subtract 65 minus 39. 65 minus 39. So we are going to use a number line. So you all know how to draw a number line, right? Yes, yes. Now we are going to start with the smaller number. What is the smaller number here? 39 is the smaller number. So in the number line, the first digit will be the smaller number, that is 39, and the ending number will be the bigger number. What is the bigger number? It is 65. The ending number will be the bigger number. Okay, so in between we are going to count. So using tens we will count. So in between 39 and 65 we have 40, we have 50 and we have 60. Okay, so 39 to 40, how many? Only one number. 39 to 40, how many number? One number. Okay, now 40 to 50, how many numbers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It is how many numbers? It is 10 numbers. What is that? 10 numbers. So 39 to 40, 1, and 40 to 50, it is 10. Okay, and from 50 to 60, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60. How many numbers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So it is again how many numbers? 10 numbers. Okay. Now from 60 to 65, how many numbers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 60 to 65, it is 5. So now the top we have 1 plus 10 plus 10 plus 5. Okay, so now we are going to add all these. We are going to add all these. What is 1 plus 10? 1 plus 10 is 11. Okay, 11 plus 10, it is, what is 11 plus 10? It is 21. Now what is 21 plus 5? It is 26. So the answer will be 26. So what is the difference between 65 and 39? It is 26. Now shall we check the answer? We shall subtract it and we shall see. 65 minus 39. Okay, so what will be the answer? Now subtract 5 minus 9. We cannot do because 5 is the smaller number, 9 is the larger number. So what you will do? You will borrow. You will regroup. Okay, so the 6 will become 5 and this 5 will become 15. What is 15 minus 9? It is after 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. It is, what is that? It is 6 and 5 minus 3 is 2. So the answer is 26. So we got the same answer. Okay, so whenever we are subtracting using number line, we will count forward. You have to start with the smaller number and end with the bigger number. Okay, in between how many numbers are there? We have to add. Okay, yes, I think you would have understand this. Okay, now we shall move on to the next one, that is, again here also we are going to subtract. Here also we are going to subtract, but by expanding the small number. By expanding the small number, we are going to subtract. Okay, so here which is a small number? 46 is the big number and this 18 is the small number. Okay, so now what we are going to do? We are going to expand the smaller number. 46 minus 18. This 18 we are going to expand. We are going to split it into tens and ones. What is that? Tens and ones. So how many tens are here? 1 tens. And how many ones are it? 8 ones. So how many? 1 tens and 8 ones. So we have split it into 10 plus 8. What is 10 plus 8? It is 18. What is that? 10 plus 8 is 18. Now what we are going to do? We are going to subtract 46 minus 10 first. 46 minus 10. What is 46 minus 10? It will be 36. It will be 36. We shall do and see. 46 minus 10. 6 minus 0 is anything. If you subtract with 0, what will be the answer? The same number, 6. 4 minus 1. If you subtract 1 from the number, you will get the previous number. What is the previous number of 4? It is 3. Okay, 36. Now, this 36, we are going to subtract with this 8. What is 36 minus 8? What you will do? This is a small number. This is a big number. now you are going to borrow. This 3 will become 2 and the 6 will become 16. What is 16 minus 8? It is 8. And this 2 will come as such. So the answer will be 28. The answer will be 28. Okay. So this is the answer. So what is 46 minus 18? It is 28. Okay. So this is how you will do by expanding the smaller number. So every time the first number will be the big number, the second number will be the small number. What we are going to do? We are going to expand the small number. So what we are going to do? We are expanding into two parts, that is 10 plus 8. 10 plus 8 is 18. So first we are going to subtract big number with this 10. You will get 36. Again with this 36 you are going to subtract with 8. What is 36 minus 8? It is 28. So that is the answer. Okay. Yes. Now one more sum we'll do. 20 minus 12 equal to dash. Now what we are going to do? We are going to expand the smaller number. What is the smaller number here? This is the smaller number. Okay. So 10 plus 2. Okay. Now 20 minus 10 is equal to 10. Again 10 minus 2 is equal to 8. So this will be the answer. Okay. This is how you will do. Okay. This is expanding the smaller number method. Now you all know to do subtraction, simple subtraction using 3-digit number. You have to write the place value and then write the numbers and then do the subtraction. Subtract 215 from 468. So every time from means bigger number should come first. So how many digits are there? Ones, tens, hundred. So you'll also write ones, tens, hundreds. Okay. Now we are going to write the numbers. 8 ones, 6 tens, 400. The second number is 5 ones, 1 tens and 200. What we are going to do? We are going to subtract. Now what will be the answer? What is 8 minus 5? It is 3. 6 minus 1, 5. 4 minus 2 is 2. Okay. Yes. This is how you will do. Okay. Yes. Next is sum. Ones, tens, hundred. Here ones, tens. So this 3-digit number will say write ones, tens, hundreds. 7 ones, 8 tens, 900. And next number is 7 ones, 4 tens. Here no numbers. Okay. So every time when you write, you have to start with the ones digit. Okay. Yes. Now we are going to subtract. 7 minus 7 is 0. 8 minus 4 is 4. Here 9 is there, here no number is there, so the 9 will come as such. So the answer is 940. 940. Okay. This is how you will do with the subtraction. Simple subtraction. Okay. This is without regrouping. Okay. So subtraction without regrouping. There is no borrowing and all, simple subtraction. I hope you all have understood. Please keep practicing the book exercise. You can do it in your rough note and see. Okay. Take care. Thank you, children. Bye.